What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe, tell me what you think, show some love. So we've got the boring red box as always. I'm waiting for Nike to change this. I think we've had this box for about 10 years now. The label, the shoe, the important bit is the Nike Zoom Vomero 5. This colorway is light bone medium olive, UK 10. The code is FV0397001, made in China. Boom. So we've got the light bone medium olive colorway. This colorway, I'll be honest, I really like, just because I love like khaki, olive green colors, and then obviously beige, white, you can't go wrong. And then the way it goes together just looks so good. Like, I really like this shoe. It's very underrated colorway. I do have an idea. I've got a code in the same color. These on the bottom, it will just look crispy. But yeah, let's just run through the colors quickly. On the bottom, it's got that olive, different shades of green, basically khaki and olive, all that good stuff. And then we've got beige, you know, going around. Then we've got like a beige midsole again, then a bit of what looks like to be grey. Then we've got grey on the back, bit of suede in grey, some white mesh. Then we've got white and grey again. We've got green mesh, and then in front of it we've got this like off-white beige type plastic. Olive swoosh, with obviously the beige behind it, because the Vomero always comes with this like doubled swoosh. It's not really mesh, but it's mesh if you want to call it that. It's like a kind of like covered mesh. It's not like an exposed mesh, so you know that will be a bit easier to keep clean. Same thing on this side, it's all the same. And then we've got the laces. These are different. I don't believe many Vomeros have round laces, and I'll be honest, I don't like them, so I will be changing them. Hopefully I can get them the right shade of khaki, because I'm very particular. If not, then I'll just have to leave them as is. The inside, the sock liner, all that good stuff is obviously the khaki, which I prefer, because if it was like this color or any other lighter color, it's a bit easier to get dirty and stuff like that, which I don't like. And then obviously inside, it's got the Bowerman series on the insole. I really like this shoe, man. I really like this shoe. Honestly, it's a sleeper one. It's one that not everyone knows about, but that's a good thing to me, because the less people know, the less common it is, the more I love it. But yeah, let me know what you think of these people. I'll be honest, I'll give them about 9 out of 10. I don't think I've ever given a 10 out of 10, but these are definitely 9 out of 10 for me. Sizing, stick true to Vomero size, because that's what they're like. I'd recommend anyone who hasn't tried them on, go to like a JD, a Foot Locker. I don't know if Foot Locker do. JD, Foot Asylum, Nike Store, all them shops. Try them on and see what the fit is like for yourself. So I've got the on foot video following in a few seconds. I'll also post it separately, so you can also watch it separate. Check out all the content, check out all the videos, check out everything. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.